if we continue littering, the world will look like a dump. It's bad as it already is, and people just don't care about it enough.
Although littering is not only seen as socially taboo, but unethical, a vast majority of people still litter. What could be the root cause for this phenomenon? In our day of age, the streets are thronged with citizens continuously on the go, racing each other through busy, fluorescent concrete jungles, preoccupied with their futures. There is little time for the consumer to factor in their environmental impact. Citizens have soon become entitled, believing it is not their onus to pick up litter due to systems already in place.
Because I was very unaware of what litter was doing to our world, basically. I think our world in the future will become a massive landfill, basically, because it will just keep on growing and growing, and it'll have a massive impact, I think, on our environment.